Good morning, second graders, and it is time again to do math, and we are going to be doing lesson 13.6, and it's page 643. We'll go do a few pages after that, and our learning target is use data, information, to make line plots. Now, line plots are and just another way for us to get information onto a picture. So we can look and say how many have this and how many have this and how many have this. Different graphs, different types of information work better on different pictures. And so line plots is a new one I want to show you. Let's take a look. So how are the thumb lengths shown on the number line? Let's take a look. Thumb number 1, right? They have thumb lengths. They measured how long is your thumb. Number 1 is 4. So they came down and they just put an X right there on number 4. And then they said thumb number 2 is 5. So here's that X, right? Here's the first one. There's the second one. Thumb number 3 is 3 centimeters. Thumb number 4 is 4. Since it's already there with 1, I'm going to put another 1. Thumb number 5 is 6. Thumb number 6 is 5. And thumb number 7 is 4. So all of the thumbs, the measurements are here. These are all centimeters. And all it is there was 1 that was 3 centimeters. 3 that were 4 centimeters, 2 that were 5 centimeters, and 1 that was 6 centimeters. All right, how are the thumb lengths shown on the number line? And they are line plots, marks on the line, right? They are marks on the line, X's on the line. And that's how we know. So let's go to the next page, 644. Car lengths in feet. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars, and they measured them. The first one was 12 feet. The second one was 13 feet. The third one was 14 feet. The fifth one was 12 again. So now I have 2 there. The fifth car was 12. The sixth car was 15 feet. The seventh car was 14 feet. Just like that. How many cars are 14 feet long? So I look at the 14. I look up here and I say 1, 2. 2 of those cars are 14 feet long. What is the most common car length? The most common, that means the one that happens the most often. This one is the most often, and that is at 12. All right? So, like I said, different graphs show different information. Here we go. Complete the line plot. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children, right? Child. More than one child, children. Long jump lengths in inches. So child number 1, 41 inches. So we just put an X right there. Child number 2 is 44 inches. Child number 3 jumped 43 inches. Child number 4 jumped 41 inches. Child number 5 jumped 45 inches. Now, you notice nobody jumped 40 inches. Nobody jumped 42 inches. That's okay. All this is the information we got. That there does not have to be somebody who jumped this far or somebody who jumped this far. This is the information we got. How many long jumps are 43 inches long? So let's take a look. 43. I look at this 43, and there's only one mark. So there's one jump that is 43 inches long. What is the most common long jump length? So I look at the stack of X's. Which one has the most? This one. And which jump is that? 41 inches long. That's got the most. All right. Just like that. Let's go to the next page. 645. Let's take a look. Complete the line plot, right? That's where we put the X's. This is puppy lengths in inches, and we have 1 through 8. So there will be 8 total X's, 8 plot points. Puppy number 1, 11. Puppy number 2, 9. Puppy number 3, 10. Puppy number 4, 12. Puppy number 5, 9. So I come back over here. Puppy number 6, 10. Puppy number 7, how long was that one? 10. I put it on top of the 10. And the last one, puppy number 8. How long was that puppy? 8 inches long. All right. So this is our line plot. What is the most common puppy length? So I look at which length, right? 8 inches, 9 inches, 10 inches, 11 inches, 12 inches. Which length has the most plot points, the most X's? And I see this one has the most. So what is the most common puppy length? It's 10 inches. This one. It's not 3 puppies. It's 10 inches. That's what this information shows us. How many fewer puppies are 11 inches long than 10 inches long? Well, now I have to look and say, how many are 10 inches long? 3. How many are 11 inches long? Just 1. So how many fewer? If I have 3 that are 10 inches long and 1 that is 11 inches long, 3 puppies minus 1 equals 2. There are 2 fewer puppies. How many puppies are 8 or 9 inches long? So I have to look at both of those sections and add them together, right? How many puppies are 8 inches long? Just 1. How many puppies are 9 inches long? There are 2. How do I find out how many there are altogether? Well, I just add those up. 1 puppy that's 8 inches plus 2 puppies at 9 inches equal 3 puppies. All right, now let's take a look at this. How many puppies are shorter than 11 inches? So here's my 11 inches. How many are shorter? Is 12 shorter than 11? Nope, it is not. So I need to go the other way. So let's take a look. There's this set that are shorter, plus this set, plus this set. So let's see. All of these are shorter. That's 1, 2, 3. These are also 4, 5, plus another 6. 6 puppies are shorter than 11 inches. And how do we know? Well, I counted the puppies below 11 inches long, right? So as I go this way, I'm counting these below this number. This is going above 11. This is going below. The numbers go down that way. All right, let's take a look. I have a little bit more time. Let's go to page 646. 9 people measure the length of a guitar. This is our think and grow. This is where we have to use our brains to maybe come up with information that's not on the page. So 9 people measure the length of a guitar. The line plot shows the measured lengths. How long do you think the guitar is? And then explain. So let's see. I have this. 9 people measured the length of a guitar. That means that when I add up all of these X's, I should see 9 of them. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 points, 9 pieces of data. What are our answers? I have one that's 34 inches. I have one that's 36 inches. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that say that the guitar is 35 inches. So how long do you think the guitar is? If I have this and this and this, these are my sets of information. And this many people think that this guitar is 35 inches, and only one person thinks it's 34, and only one person thinks it's 36. What do you think, boys and girls? What do you think? Why do you think? How can we figure out what the real length of the guitar is? Well, in my brain, I'm going to say if only one person chose that and only one person chose this, then most of them are choosing 35. I'm going to say 35 is the length of the guitar. And then why do we say that? Well, that is the most common. The most common length is 35 inches. Right? All right. Now, that's not a guarantee, boys and girls. It is possible that all of these people got it wrong and only one person got it right. But when we are talking about math and we are looking at information, you can usually guess that if this many people say that the answer is 35 and only one person said 34 and only one person said 36, it is most likely that this is the correct answer. All right, boys and girls, I want you to do page 647 and 648. Do those pages on your own. If you need to rewatch this, go ahead. I will talk to you later and have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.